Hey Zach, how you doing, buddy?
Good, man. What's happening? Like my hat?
Oh, well, just here making a few videos and just talking about a few things. I want to talk about XRP.
Yeah.
I know I texted you and it's like, hey, let's do a video real quick. I want to do XRP video. And you're like, what's going on with XRP? I'm like, this is a pretty interesting piece of content. You're a fan of XRP, right?
Oh yeah, for
Loaded
sure.
question.
Definitely. I have a little bit. I don't have a ton, and it's just because of the battle with the SEC going on. But so many people think once they get through that, and a
Yep.
lot of people think they will, that XRP has so much room to run.
It's just a
Um,
pain in the butt to buy. I mean,
it is.
and we've covered that in a bunch of videos. That's not the
It
point.
is.
So this jumped up on my radar. I know you were doing some other stuff, and I wanted you to get on this video with me. But this jumped up on my radar because I'm like, I mean, let's just call it what it is, right? XRP hasn't done a lot, and it's kind of stayed in this same area, because frankly, in my opinion, because of what's obviously going on with the SEC, right? And it's moved around with the overall market volatility, but I
Yeah.
mean, this move down was because of the overall, we know, downward market move down.
Mhm.
I mean, look at right here for the last, what, 3 months, it's pretty
Yeah.
much stayed in the same area. Now, I'm going to say this up front. I'm not faulting XRP. I'm a fan of XRP. I have always been a fan of the project, but this again was something that was interesting. So this says XRP has one of the best looking charts in crypto, and here's why. That's what got my attention. All right. So look at this, Zach. According to recent Sentiment Insight article, XRP is one of the better looking NVT charts in the entire crypto market, considering increase in network circulation in May with a further correction in June.
Mhm.
Even more NVT chart may form a divergence for XRP, which would be a good bullish factor for XRP. Now, let me real quick before I'll throw it to you. What is NVT? You may be asking yourself. All right. It is a digital asset industry alternative to the P&E ratio. If you don't know what that is, that has to do with stocks, which evaluates assets value by market capitalization, dividend by transaction volume. If the value is too high, the network is considered overvalued compared to low transaction volume. So
Mhm.
long and the short of it, Zach, right? Per this metric, NVT has a XRP, there you go, has a darn good looking chart. So what's your thoughts?
Yeah, I think, when we look at XRP, I don't think it can go much lower from here. To your point, it's been relatively flat. There's not as much of trading volume because you can't buy it in a
Right.
lot of places, right? So, like in the United States, like the main exchanges are Coinbase. So much volume there, you can't get it there,
Right.
right? So we're kind of at this stalemate of, I think a lot of the big XRP people, XRP investors, they're looking at this as a great opportunity just to accumulate here because it's pretty much just hanging out here at this, what is it, about 34 cents, 35 cents, give
Yep.
or take. And
Yep.
it's really not moving a lot. So it's like, hey, this is a great time to accumulate because when and if the XRP lawsuit gets resolved, um, you know, I think there's a lot of move to the upside available for XRP.
I agree, and I think we've kind of, as in a few final thoughts to wrap up, we've all talked about. I mean, if I think we all kind of readily believe that the XRP is going to come out the winner. I think it's going to be some kind of a negotiated stalemate. But
Yeah.
regardless, when I think the case, I will say this: when the case is settled, I
Yeah.
think that we all agree that XRP is literally going to skyrocket. I mean, we may see it go from 30, 40 cents at that time, whenever that is. We don't know when that is. Maybe it might go north of $3, $4 in a day. I mean, there's that
Yeah.
much, pent up demand. So let's wrap up there. I think we wanted to keep this a little short for you, but this is an interesting bullish indicator for XRP. I think, Zach, you nailed it. I think that if you're a long-term investor in XRP looking to buy and hold and be in it for the long term, this is a really great bullish indicator of kind of long-term viability and what it's exhibiting right now. So final thoughts on Clear, down in the description below is a link to all of ClearCryptos socials, including their Discord. Get involved over there. A lot of stuff happening over there. Clear has got a lot of amazing things coming. In fact, Daytona, they're going to be, if you don't know this, ClearCryptos actually sponsors and works with a race team that's going to be racing at the Daytona races. Myself, Zach, you're going to be there. It's going to be awesome. So what are your final thoughts, Zach?
Yeah, make sure you check out all the links down below. We're getting really, really close to having a lot more information for you as it relates to Clear. The information here on this channel will not stop either. So let us know in the comments how you're liking the content, what you want more of. There's a ton of different stuff out there, and we've got a ton of creators here on the channel. So it's been fun being a part of it, man, and watching this thing grow. And we're just getting started with everything at Clear. So
thanks, Zach. All right, guys, we'll see you later. Definitely hit that subscribe and like button, and we'll take it easy. See ya.